So we just finished with breakfast, headed back to the room and get all our stuff together, and then we're gonna wait until it's time for us to go over to the next hotel. So we are headed over to the new hotel, and we are right in the middle of a tropical storm. It's pouring out here. I'm not sure if it's going to be raining all day, but it definitely cooled it down some. But yeah, a little scary on this ride here. You scared? You good? So we made a little pit stop to go to the pharmacy. Bruce hurt his leg yesterday, so he had to go get some things to bandage it up. We're still sitting out here in the rain, in the jungle. But no, it's not that bad.
Not that bad.
My husband said it's not that bad.
Not that bad. Gotta love it. Tropical weather.
Okay, so this is right outside of our little bungalow here at the Suanya Resort, Spa and Resort here in Koh Kood. It is raining, so I'm trying not to slip and break anything on this, because it's a little bit fierce out here. There's a pool over there, and I saw Chuck over there waving at me just a moment ago, so I'm guessing that their bungalow's over there. This is definitely this is definitely in the tropics here. But this is the front of our little bungalow. I'm not sure what you call it, but this is it. I'm gonna take you inside and let you see. And I will be perfectly honest with you. I am a little scared. I am not the country girl, and I am not the roughing it outdoorsy. And I know most of you are saying right now, well, welcome to Thailand, and you chose to move here and all that stuff like that. I did. I absolutely did choose to move here, and I love it. So, yeah. Well, we'll take a look on the inside. And of course, you know, he's not afraid of anything. I'm the big chicken in the family. But this is the inside of the little bungalow. Yeah, we're gonna squeeze up in that queen size bed tonight. I have not even been in the bathroom yet.
I like it.
I know you do like it. I don't hate it. I'm just scared something's gonna crawl on me.
No, I'll take care of that.
I'm scared to go in that bathroom. Charles, you're gonna have to turn the light on. Where is it at? Okay. Oh, Lord.
This is Thai style.
This is for sure
This is Thai style. Yeah, this is Thai style.
different
Room.
from anything I've ever been in. There's a hole over here on the floor. Oh my God, I don't even know what that is for. It is a whole, complete hole in this floor. Yeah, we're gonna put something over that for sure. I don't know what it's for, probably to drain the water. I don't plan on spilling water down there, so that thing is getting covered up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put the trash can on it right now. So, Yeah. Problem solved.
You're not keeping all that.
I absolutely am. I mean, this is, you guys want to see my experience in Thailand, right? So I'm going to take a little walk around and see this pool over here. So like we are directly on the ocean. Well, if you've been watching my channel anytime, you already know that you will not see me out here at nighttime. That's not going to happen. This is the Suanya Hotel and Resort. They've got a beautiful pool here. Wow. Like I said, it's beautiful out here. It's not, the room is just a little scary to me, that's all. But other than that, it's really pretty. Different types of cabins over here. And a nice little coffee shop out here. That's a very pretty little swing. So here we've got the front of the resort, Suanya Kood Resort and Spa. So how's the room?
Good. Where are you guys at?
We're right in that white building right there.
Oh, nice. You want to see ours?
I don't know if I do or not.
Well, there's no window.
I heard Nick.
Oh,
So I'm gonna walk down a little bit to see this little fishing village.
okay.
Chuck said it's down here.
We go here too.
So this is the little fishing village, the beginning of it, coming off from the ocean here. And this is really cool. Like I've never been anywhere like this, so this is definitely different.
Y'all still stalking us?
Yeah, of course we are. You know you got stalkers everywhere. This is really cool. I've never been anywhere like this.
Yeah, it's kind of neat, huh?
Yeah.
Something to see. Watch out behind you.
Uh-oh. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, this is definitely straight out of a movie.
Take a walk around. It's cool in there.
Oh, you one of these? One of those. Okay, thank you. That one is one of these. You can choose what you want on top. What did you get?
So we just had lunch and I forgot to film any of it, but it was pretty tasty. Enjoyed it. Now we're headed back over to the room. These are cute little bungalows. Ah! Sorry. These scooters all over the sidewalks. Charles, those were cute. Why are we way in the damn jungle? We got ocean view, but look. Look at how cute that is. A little half moon seat. I want to get in the pool. The pool is nice. And we're the only ones here too. It's nice and clean too. We are headed over to dinner so I can get back in this room before it gets dark. We are at dinner and this is what I ordered. I've got the fried rice with shrimp. And everybody is enjoying themselves. Okay, so I am headed out and we are leaving Koh Kood. We're going to be taking the ferry back to Koh Chang. We'll stay over Koh Chang one more night and then we're going to be headed back up to Bangkok. So I will see you when we get to Koh Chang. One last look at this beautiful, beautiful island. Good morning. I'm going to head over to this coffee shop for a brief moment. See what they've got. Here comes our boat to take us back to Koh Chang. About a 2-hour boat ride.
When I come up, are you going to grab my ass too? No. Okay, we got a different crowd. We got to do the same act. Yeah, you can probably fix the open deal. Does it do it?
Big boy.
Oh, you gotta go back there?
Yeah.
All right.
That's too bad, huh?
I mean, you know.
Yeah, same here.
Somewhere.
Hi, Joe. Good to see you.
Yes. Bye. See you later. Awesome. See you, Max.
Oh.
Black beans? Red beans. The red beans. Okay.
Our last night on Koh Chang. We are spending it with, thank you, with Nicole and Mike. Having our last dinner here and enjoying it. Good morning. We are in the car on Koh Chang, headed back to the ferry, headed back home. We had a wonderful trip hanging out with all our new friends. It was just a blast going from island to island, just doing, you know, some different things here in Thailand. And as I said, we'll be back here in Koh Chang and do some more exploring. We didn't get to do a whole lot of exploring while we were here because we had a very large group. But we had a ball. We really did. And I wanted to say a special thank you to all of the new subscribers to our channel. And we really appreciate you taking the time to subscribe to our channel and all the wonderful comments that I got. I'm trying to reply to each and every one of them. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And we will see you soon back in Bangkok.
See you later.
at the ferry port headed back to Trot so we can hit the road early and get over to Bangkok. It was a beautiful trip. We met some beautiful people. We had a really, really good time on this trip and very happy that I decided to come. We were thankful that we got the invite. We are So we are actually on the ferry right now and waiting to take off. I don't think I'm going to go upstairs today. I think I'm just going to stay down here because we've got a great view.